Have you ever wondered why most people spend 30 years paying off their home and still feel broke halfway through? Well, there's a smarter way, and that way saves you hundreds of thousands in interest. It gives you access to your money at any time, and it helps you pay off your home in half the amount of time. Let me show you how it works. Hey there, I'm Mike Wise, and I help people just like you make smarter mortgage decisions. If you're a millennial or just someone tired of handing over piles and piles of interest to the bank, then it's time for you to listen up, because the all-in-one loan, it flips the script on how mortgages work. It puts you in control, not the bank. Now, let me explain to you how this actually works. But here's the truth. The truth is the traditional 30-year mortgage, they're designed to benefit the banks. In fact, about 70% of the interest that you'll ever pay on a loan happens during the first 15 years. And if you refinance, like most people do every 5 to 7 years, you just restart the interest clock all over again. Think about it. You lower your payment, sure, but you extend the loan and pay even more interest in the long run. It's a trap, and it's time to break free from that trap. The all-in-one loan, it's a revolutionary tool that combines your mortgage, checking, and savings into one powerful account. Here's how it works. Your income, it goes directly into the loan account, which means it immediately reduces the principal balance. And since interest is calculated daily, your money starts saving you interest the moment it lands in your account. You still use it like a normal bank account. You pay your bills, you make your purchases, withdraw money, only when you need it. But now, every dollar you earn is working harder for you. With the all-in-one loan, people, they're paying off their homes in half the amount of time, and sometimes even faster. They're saving tens to hundreds of thousands in interest while keeping full access to their money for emergencies, for investing, or just living life. This isn't about giving up your freedom. It's about unlocking it. Now, maybe you're thinking, this sounds way too good to be true, or I've never heard of this from my bank. I get it. I was skeptical too, but it's not magic. It's just math. It's about how interest is calculated and how your money flows. And when you see the numbers, you'll see why so many smart, financially awake homeowners are making the switch. Look, don't just take it from me. Jessica is one of my clients. She was skeptical at first, but after seeing her personalized numbers, she realized she'd save over $180,000 in interest. Now she's telling everyone she knows. And Derek and Renee, they're already a full year ahead of schedule on their mortgage. Look, this loan, it changes lives because it gives you control, not just a low rate. Picture this. You're 42, your home is completely paid off. You're traveling, investing, and building wealth. You're not worried about refinancing. You're not stressing about rising rates. You're free. That's the power of the all-in-one loan. Look, if you want to explore whether this fits your goals, I'm offering a free 30-minute consultation, no pressure, just education. And if you move forward, I'll even give you $200 off your closing costs. So click the link below to schedule your free call with me. You don't have to be stuck in this 30-year trap. There's a smarter way, and I'd love to show you how. If this video helped you open your eyes to a better way to own your home, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend who's ready to build wealth the smart way. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Wise, and this is Mortgage Wise, where your mortgage, it works for you, not the other way around.